In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get involved in any trade like a pro. I'm also going to be showing you guys how you can use the fair value gap, or you might choose to call it imbalance, for your sniper entry. So let's dive in. So if you look at this price action now, you will see that we are currently bullish. So you will see that price is trending up. So we are bullish. So I'm expecting price to come and take out this liquidity here, and then this should be my order block. But this is where I expect price to come before I will take my buy from here, and I'll target this high here. So let's play this and see how it played out. So eventually, if price gets to this my POI here, I want to be looking for confirmation before I get involved. So let's play this and see how it goes. So I'm waiting for price to come back to my POI. Boom! So you guys see the speed. So this is an indication that the sellers are actually in charge. So the selling pressure, the momentum is very, very high. That price came and violated my POI. So now making this become a market structure shift. So let me take this out. Then this becomes a market structure shift. And then I want price to come back to somewhere around the premium zone before I will be get involved in the sell. So like I said before, I buy at a discount zone and I sell at a premium zone. So when I bring up my Fibonacci, I'm going to mark this out from premium to discount. The up is a premium, then the other half is discount. So I don't want to get involved in when price is around the zone. I want to get involved in when price is at the premium zone, because I'm targeting to short on this setup, because price has violated my other POI. So now I need to adapt to what price is doing. You don't need to be shocked when price violates your POI. You need to watch and check, because price will always leave a blueprint to show you what's about to do next. So now let me take this out and let's wait for price to patiently come to this is my POI. I'm targeting here. This is the fair value gap, and then this is the other block right above here. So I want price to come to this fair value gap before I look for my entry. So let's play it and watch our price retrace back to that zone. So you patiently wait for price to come to you. Don't get involved in the market too early, and don't get involved when market is premature. Let it mature before you get involved, or you're going to get stopped out. So you can see our price is still moving. Point of interest. Boom! So you can see immediately price tapped into my fair value gap. Price went to fill it up, and I want a confirmation. So when price printed this bearish candle, that is my confirmation, and I'll bring out my short position. I set up my entry right there and my stop loss above the high. Then I'm targeting the nearest draw of liquidity, which is this flow here. This is the nearest draw of liquidity. So this is my target. So let me play this out and show you how this price melted to my target. I took this trade live on my Telegram channel. People made money from this particular setup. I'm going to show you the proof here. And if you want a one-on-one mentorship program, you want me to show you and mentor you on how to trade the financial and crypto markets, you can send a DM to me on WhatsApp, link in bio, and I'll be showing you how to navigate this forex market like a pro. If this is something you like, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be notified for any trading tips that I'll be posting regularly. See you next time.